Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to customize your Cinnamon desktop and make it look like this. First, I would like to go for the installation of Rofi themes. Before that, we need to install Rofi. So head over to the terminal and search for Rofi and you can install the package from sudo apt install Rofi. That's all. Now, I have a custom version of the theme that I'm going to use for Rofi, or if you want, you can download the original version from the internet. Just go to Firefox web browser and search for Carbonized Rofi and you will get the GitHub link. Scroll down and this is the theme that we are trying to install. Just click on the code option to download the zip. Now you just need to extract the zip folder. Now we can check if Rofi is installed properly or not. You can do this by running the config file or with Rofi, or you can also launch the default Rofi screen. Just run Rofi show for that. Nice, it works. Now we are going to run the config.rasi. Type Rofi show run config.rasi and enter. So this is what we are going to use, and you will find out soon that this color scheme is not what we are looking for, and my modified version has the changed color codes. You will immediately notice that it is themed keeping in mind blue, purple and violet colors. You can download this modified version of the config from the link in the description, where you will also get additional access to auto install scripts which let you install the theme with a single click, as well as 8K high res wallpapers which I'm going to use for the theme. Alternatively, you can watch the video till the end and also get access to HD wallpapers from the link in the description. Next, let us get the GTK themes. For this video, I'm going to use the flat remix GTK theme. I'll also go for the violet version. Now, installation of this theme is pretty simple, so we will just come back to installation later. Before that, let us enable some applets. We need a command launcher. Search for it under the downloads tab. Wait for a few minutes for the loading to complete, and then click on download. Now we just need to enable this with the plus button. You will notice something change in your panel. There is a new option which, if you configure, would enable you to run command from the panel. Let us enter the Rofi command for this. Remember the location of the config which you have kept earlier. If you enter the wrong path, as I had done, you will land into trouble, which means the default Rofi will pop up. Okay, let me just do the final modification with the path. Done. Now we need the icon pack. I thought of using Numix Circle present by default inside Linux Mint. If you don't have the icon pack installed in your system, you can also head over to their official website and get the corresponding package named related to your distro. Actually, while recording the video, I had initially used Numix Circle. Then I noticed that the icons look a little bit low on saturation when put in front of my wallpaper. So you can try something else which is more saturated than Numix Circle, for example Papyrus or Deepin icons. The next one is more recommended in this case. If you would like to install the Deepin icons, just search for UOS GTK theme on Google or click the link in my description and you will get everything from there. So here we have UOS Deepin V20. Here we have all the icons required. Click on download and that's all, done. While it downloads, you can open your file manager. Press Ctrl H in order to reveal the hidden files and create a new folder named .icons. Enter into the directory and we just need to extract the folder right inside .icons. After the extraction is complete, you can just open Cinnamon settings, or just search for themes and you can change the icon theme from here. Just search for the installed version and there you go. It applies smoothly, whatever you would like to install. We also need some extensions. Search for extensions from the app launcher, open Cinnamon settings and search and access extensions from there. We need transparent panel. it will basically make your panel transparent. You will be having 3 options to choose from, that is fully transparent, semi-transparent, or even shadows. Shadows is the default option which is enabled in this, so we need not open the settings page in order to change anything else. Now we also need another extension, which is user shadows. Now this one is optional, since it depends on you if you would like to add some exaggerated amount of shadows on your apps. Now it is not just for exaggerated shadows on your apps, you can also control the level of shadows in Cinnamon using this. I would love to have that advantage, so I'm enabling them. Now we need to enable both of the installed extensions by pressing the plus button. It's time to apply the wallpapers. I have them inside my shared folders. You can get access to the entire 8K Purple Magic album from the link in my description, or even download HD versions for free. Enter panel edit mode by right clicking on the panel and reposition some of the applets to give it a different look. Get rid of Cinnamon menu and replace it with our command launcher. Now since the main menu is gone, we need a power menu in order to log out, shut down, or reboot our system. It is important to get an applet for the same function. The system control applets will do the favor. Enable it in a similar manner with the plus button, reposition it accordingly, and you are good to go. It is time that we'll apply the selected theme. Before we can do that from settings, it is important to install the theme. It is easy, just extract the folders inside the home/.themes directory and you are good to go. If you don't find the folder, make sure to create one. During extraction, remember to extract your preferred choice, since the Flat Remix theme comes with a variety of options with subtle level of differences among them. Now open themes and search for your installed theme, click on it and apply. Also don't forget to change your icon theme and the desktop theme to the default purple or violet version. Now we need to configure the icon for our app launcher or the application launcher. Click on the icon inside the configure menu or the configure page and search for something related to the application launcher. Alternatively, you can also put your own icon of your own choice. Let us now edit some of the user shadows value from the extensions page. And that's all done. Install lolcat just for some added fun. Now you will be able to display gradient commands if you pipe them through lolcat, just like neofetch in this case. That's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Do like, share and subscribe. I'll catch you in the next one.